Do you feel like you don't speak enough Filipino? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Filipino. Hi everybody, my name is Camille. Welcome to the 800 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Filipino. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So, after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at filipinopod101.com. Click the link to the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Filipino. Okay, let's get started. First is Kumusta. Hello. Kumusta. Kumusta. Hello. Kumusta, Maria? Hello, Maria. Kumusta, Maria? Mawalang galang lang. Excuse me. Mawalang galang lang. Mawalang galang lang. Excuse me. Mawalang galang lang. Nakita niyo ba ang aso ko? Excuse me, have you seen my dog? Mawalang galang lang. Nakita niyo ba ang aso ko? Pasensya na. I'm sorry. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. I'm sorry. Pasensya na po, hindi na po mauulit. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. Pasensya na po, hindi na po mauulit. Magandang gabi. Good night. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Good night. Alis na ako. Magandang gabi. I'll go now. Good night. Alis na ako. Magandang gabi. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka, sir. Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? How are you? Uy, kumusta ka? Hey, how are you? Uy, kumusta ka? Oo. Yes. Oo. Oo. Yes. Oo, naiintindihan ko. Yes, I understand. Oo, naiintindihan Ayoko. Hindi. No. Hindi. Hindi. No. Hindi. Ayoko niyan. No, I don't like that. Hindi. Ayoko niyan. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat pero hindi ako ang nag-order nito. Thank you, but I didn't order this. Salamat pero hindi ako ang nag-order nito. Ako si. I'm. Ako si. Ako si. I'm. Ako si Erika. I'm Erika. Ako si Erika. Paalam. Goodbye. Paalam. Paalam. Goodbye. Paalam, ingat. Goodbye, take care. Paalam. Ingat. Masama. Bad. Masama. Masama. Bad. Siya ay lalaking masama. He's a bad boy. Siya ay lalaking masama. Mabuti. Good. Mabuti. Mabuti. Good. Ang gulay ay mabuti para sa iyo. Vegetables are good for you. Ang gulay ay mabuti para sa iyo. Maganda. Pretty. Maganda. Maganda. Pretty. Maganda ang damit mo. Your dress is pretty. Maganda ang damit mo. Pangit. Ugly. Pangit. Pangit. Ugly. Ang pangit na sisiw na pato ay naging isang magandang gansa. The ugly duckling became a beautiful swan. Ang pangit na sisiw ng pato ay naging isang magandang gansa. Madali. Easy. Madali. Madali. Easy. Ang pagrenta ng kotse ay hindi laging madali. Renting a car is not always easy. Ang pagrenta ng kotse ay hindi laging madali. Mahirap. Difficult. Mahirap. Mahirap. Difficult. Ang Ingles ay mahirap. English is difficult. Ang Ingles ay mahirap. Malapit, near. Malapit, malapit, near. Ako ay nakatira malapit sa universidad. I live near the university. Ako ay nakatira malapit sa universidad. Malayo, far. Malayo, malayo, far. Ang babae ay nakatingin sa isang bagay na malayo. The woman is looking at something far away. Ang babae ay nakatingin sa isang bagay na malayo. Maliit, small. Maliit, maliit, small. Ang kotse ay maliit, ngunit ito ay talagang malakas. The car is small, but it's very powerful. Ang kotse ay maliit, ngunit ito ay talagang malakas. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at filipinopod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! Paalam!
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.